Oh, look at the size of that sandcastle. Double bar. Right. And then there's this guy. This guy we recognise. Quite a nice bike there. What a fat fish! Gnarling it up, surfing an elevator. An elevator? An alligator. Bit of urban art there. Purple woman with a green cat. Maybe the cat's sick and the woman's a bit cold or something, I don't know. And then like some rapper. Some dude looks like pretty mean. Rapper guy. And sunset, city in the train. Nice. Spaceship on top of that building. Dude! How much ice cream? You guys sell ice creams?
Really?
Are you closed or what? You sell ice cream?
Ice cream, yes.
Yeah? How much is one? Like a cornetto or something?
Look at that.
I'm sorry, man, I forgot I don't have any money. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry, I don't have any money. So, do you want to buy an ice cream?
No.